Hi, my name is Jerushi and today I'm making the axes from Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Welcome to the shop. Today we are making the axes from Assassin's Creed Valhalla. I've been a fan of the franchise for a few years now. Ever since Black Flag came out, I really dropped into it, so I'm really excited for the new game to come out. So we're just gonna get started by making the patterns. So first we cut out the base form from the 7mm foam. We cut out both sides and one piece, so we don't have a seam on the back of the axe. Then we take the 2mm foam and we cut out the detailing. That way we have a difference in layers. So when it's all cut out, we smear both sides with contact cement. We let it dry for a while and then we stick it together as closely as possible. And then we sand it off a bit where necessary. We kind of have to sandwich the PVC pipe in between when all detailing on the PVC pipe is done. We're going to do the same thing for the second axe first, and then we're going to come back to this one. So we finished sanding everything, every detail in it. So next thing up is we're gonna thermoform the PVC pipes and then we're gonna glue this on it. In one piece we'll have to cut it and then heat it with a heat gun so the cuts fold open. This only works with the gray foam, the high density one. Then we'll do the top and the bottom part, which are 7mm foam. So for the second axe, the handle is actually pretty much the opposite of the first one. There's a lot of detail that goes outwards instead of inwards. For this we're going to use foam dowels. The shop has a lot of different foam dowels and they're all amazing to use. I use them myself a lot. Instead of just dremeling a piece of foam, you can just buy these and just glue them on. They're really easy, they're really fast. Just heat seal them before painting. So we finished dremeling this, all the detailing in, and using foam dowels on this one for detailing exterior wise. Next thing we'll do is making the pommels and filling up the holes with foam clay. So we finished filling up all the seams and making the pommels out of foam clay. Next thing we do is put on the blades and we can start plasti dipping. So we finally put the ball together. It's a roughly made axe right now, so we still need to finish all the detailing and, you know, sand a lot. I'm really excited for the game, so that's why I wanted to make these. They're not perfect. I kind of mushed two designs together. We don't have a lot of reference pictures at the moment, but you know, I'm really happy with how it looks so far. So next thing, sand everything off that doesn't need to be there anymore and start plasti dipping it. We also need to fill these up with foam clay before finishing those up. Foam clay needs 24 hours to dry, so, you know, I'm gonna have to leave them here for a while. Also, keep that in mind when you're using foam clay. So crafting wise, the axes are pretty much done. All the sanding's been done, all the crafting, the assembling, the filling up the holes, everything has been done. And now we go outside to Plasti dip it. To start off the painting, we're gonna just first spray them in one color, just silver. Then we're gonna cover it up with rub and buff mixed with flex paint and a little bit of acrylic paint and water it down. The middle part of the axe needs to be brown because it's a type of wood leatherish texture. I think it's wood. First we do it brown and then we'll dry brush it with black. For the straight axe, the self-improvised axe, since this is not really a canon thing, you can kind of do whatever you want with it. That's what I'm doing, at least. Like, I'm really putting my details and the color scheme into the head of the axe, like I've seen on one reference picture. And as well for the rest of the axe, like, you can kind of do whatever you want with it. It doesn't really matter, but I'm just sticking to the reference pictures that I found, and I'm gonna wrap the handle around in Plaster. So they're done. So there are some parts that aren't as clean as I wanted them to be. Most of this is also my first time doing it. Engraving stuff with a Dremel is also the first time I've ever done that with foam. Remember, these are Assassin's Creed axes, but anyway, they could be used for any kind of Viking axe, battle axe. So that's the end of the video. I really like everybody. Thank you all for watching. Like, I had a really fun time making these. I'm really hyped for the game. The trailer looks amazing, although that's a cinematic trailer. But so thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Also, I'm selling bat water on my Instagram page.